May this year be the year you land the agent of your dreams. So, what does this mean? This means an agent who listens to you, who is rooting for you, who's excited about you. If you're wondering how to do that this year, I got you. Let's talk about it. Now that the strike is finally over, we are in a brand new year. You might be thinking it's the perfect time to submit to all of the reps that you can think of. I'd say hold your horses and make sure you watch this video first. Ultimately, right now, the industry is reworking itself. Producers and studio execs are trying to decide on the best way to move forward. They're trying to figure out what TV will look like, what films people actually want to see. I think we're moving away from the hour-and-a-half limited series of 6 episodes that get canceled after one season in favor of 10 to 12 episode 30 to 40-minute projects that are more digestible. I think studios are realizing that this will ultimately cost them less money and lead to more jobs for writers, directors, and yes, of course, actors to make the industry thrive. So if you're not seeing any auditions or if getting auditions is slow for you, don't worry. Everyone is still trying to figure everything out, so be patient. And if you're wondering what happened to pilot season, poof, it's not really happening this year. What will probably be super helpful for you in order to get signed to an agent will be knowing your brand. If you're not sure what this brand is, please check out this video up above. Branding is so imperative for an actor's career, and I know I talk about it a lot, but it's something I truly believe in and something that I believe I've done well, which is one of the reasons why I believe I've had the success that I've had. And it can also be really fun to figure out. Once you know what your brand is, you can move on to having competitive materials. This is so important. Theatrical and even some commercial headshots are now leading more towards an editorial vibe. Try doing some research on actor headshots, and if you're stuck, I've got an entire video for you. There's so much competition out there. Casting directors receive hundreds, sometimes thousands of submissions, and your headshot shows up as this tiny little box as they're like scrolling the submission list, deciding who they should call it. So you want to make sure that your headshots stand out and showcase who you uniquely are. All your quirks, all your glory, all your freckles. Aside from headshots, what comes up when someone Googles you? Are you satisfied with your online presence? What videos come up? Are you proud of these? Are they on brand? I guarantee whoever is thinking of signing you will Google you. I'd also recommend doing some research. Do you know the talent agencies in your region? Do you know what their client lists look like and where you could possibly fit into that list? If you're curious about this process, please watch this video up above and please be aware of scams. Do your research, don't lose your money, and please don't pay anyone unless you've booked a job and you're paying them commission. And lastly, networking is a fantastic way to meet reps and to eventually get signed by an agent. You can go to meetup.com to find industry-related events in your area for film and TV folks. You can attend film festivals, film panels with Q&As. You can join specific Facebook groups filled with industry professionals in your area and people you want to connect with. You never know who knows who. Also, don't sleep on this resource. I highly recommend LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a fantastic way to connect with industry people. Setting up a profile is free, and it's a resource that I believe is highly underutilized by actors. If you do all of these things, I cannot imagine a world in which you don't sign with a great agent. The key is to do your research, be specific in what you want out of an agent and what shows you want to be on, your brand, etc. Be patient and get to know the people in your industry. Please don't give up. Your perfect rep is literally just around the corner. I saw them. Hi. Yeah, they're waiting on you. If you're curious on how to send a cold email to a rep or to pitch yourself, you can watch these next videos here. Happy researching, and I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.